Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Harun Gupta and it gives me an immense pleasure to share the success of the Batch 1 of the PrimeRad Ultrasound and Intervention Fellowship. The Batch 1 was a great success. The hands-on workshops were conducted across 2 countries and 5 major cities. These cities were Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, Hyderabad and Dubai. We trained over 40 fellows from across the globe in small focused batches which allowed individual attention, and overall it was a great learning experience for all the fellows. The intervention training was conducted using a high fidelity upper limb stimulator. The simulator is unique and innovative, and it allowed all the fellows to practice needle precision in a safe and real life environment. This helped us bridge the gap between the theory and practice, and the fellows felt very confident following this training. Building on this success, I announced that the registrations are now open for the Batch 2. If you are a radiologist or a radiology trainee, and if you are looking to elevate your MSK ultrasound and intervention practice in a structured manner with real life environment, then this is for you. I warmly welcome you to join us and be part of the next successful batch and join the PrimeRad community. See you all.